If you need to turn off two-factor authentication for your Bank of America account, follow these steps carefully to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Bank of America website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile or Settings section. Look for options related to security or privacy settings. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication. In the Security Settings, search for the two-factor authentication option. This may be listed under Security Preferences or similar headings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Select the option to disable or turn off two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to verify your identity through a code sent to your registered phone or email. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling the feature, ensure you receive a confirmation message or email. Review your security settings to ensure everything is set as desired. Make sure to keep your account secure even without two-factor authentication. Regularly update your password and monitor your account for any suspicious activity.